Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Sidekick Airdrop Season 2 ends today. Everything you need to know about the road ahead. The long-awaited conclusion of Sidekick Airdrop Season 2 is here. Today, November 25th, at 12 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated, marks the official end of this exciting chapter. Participants have spent weeks completing tasks, collecting diamonds, and earning rewards, and now it's time to claim the fruits of their efforts. If you're part of this vibrant community, don't wait. Ensure you've wrapped up your tasks before the deadline. But this isn't the end. It's a thrilling new beginning for Sidekick and its growing ecosystem. Let's dive into what comes next and why the future of Sidekick looks so bright. Airdrop Season 2, a recap of success. Season 2 has been a monumental success, drawing thousands of users into the Sidekick ecosystem. Its unique approach to incentivizing participation through tasks and diamond collection created a dynamic and engaging experience. Participants were rewarded for more than just showing up. They contributed to Sidekick's growth by promoting its platform, exploring its features, and engaging with its community. This innovative model sets Sidekick apart from other projects, making it a standout in the crypto space. What comes next for Sidekick? As Season 2 wraps up, the Sidekick project is preparing for its next big steps, guided by a carefully designed roadmap that ensures long-term growth and success. Phase 1: Building the foundations. The journey began with a focus on the basics. Sidekick introduced MVP, minimum viable product, versions of its monetization platforms, and advanced AI tools tailored for specific use cases. These tools were designed to deliver real value while generating revenue streams for affiliate partners. By establishing these strong foundations, Sidekick has created a solid framework for its future. Phase 2: Strengthening the internal market. The second phase shifted attention to the internal market. Organization keys, a unique feature tied to Phase 1's success, were introduced, enabling more dynamic trading and improving liquidity within the Sidekick ecosystem. This phase also saw enhancements to the trading infrastructure, ensuring that the project could support increased activity and demand as it grows. Phase 3: Stepping into the public market. Now, all eyes are on Phase 3. This phase is where Sidekick makes its grand entrance onto major centralized CXs and decentralized exchanges DXs. The goal is to scale the achievements of the first two phases and bring Sidekick to a wider audience. While the exact Sidekick listing date hasn't been finalized, December 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal month. Listing on top-tier exchanges will not only provide liquidity but also open new opportunities for investors and community members alike. Why is the Sidekick listing a big deal? The upcoming Sidekick listing is one of the most highly anticipated events in the crypto community. Here's why it matters. Increased visibility. Listing on major exchanges will put Sidekick on the map, attracting new users and investors. Enhanced liquidity. Exchange listings make it easier to trade Sidekick coins, benefiting both holders and new buyers. Future growth. A successful listing often acts as a springboard for other developments, partnerships, and ecosystem expansion. The listing is more than just a milestone. It's a signal that Sidekick is ready to compete on the global stage. Community buzz. What are users saying? The Sidekick community is buzzing with excitement as questions like, "When is Sidekick listing?" and "What's next for Sidekick?" dominate discussions. While the answers are becoming clearer, one thing is certain: the project's momentum is building, and the community is growing stronger every day. How to prepare for the next phase. If you've been part of Sidekick Airdrop Season 2, here's what you should do next. Claim your rewards. Don't let your hard-earned diamonds and rewards go to waste. Log in and secure your prizes before the deadline. Stay informed. Keep an eye on Sidekick's announcements for updates about the listing and future phases. Get involved. join Sidekick's community channels to stay connected, ask questions, and share your experiences. Prepare for the listing. As December 2024 approaches, consider how the Sidekick coin might fit into your investment strategy. A bright future ahead. The conclusion of Sidekick Airdrop Season 2 isn't the end of the story, it's the beginning of something much bigger. With a robust roadmap, a committed community, and exciting plans for exchange listings, Sidekick is poised to make a significant impact in the crypto world. Whether you're a participant, an investor, or simply curious, now is the time to pay attention. The journey from airdrops to exchange listings is just the start of what promises to be a transformative adventure for Sidekick and its supporters. Stay tuned, big things are on the horizon.